action words. Sweep. Clean the floor with a broom.
Sweep the floor every morning.
Mop. Clean the floor with a mop.
Mop the kitchen floor after dinner.
Vacuum. Clean using a vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum the carpet once a week.
Dust. Remove dust from surfaces.
Dust the shelves regularly.
Wipe. Clean with a cloth.
Wipe the table after eating.
Scrub. Clean by rubbing hard.
Scrub the bathroom sink.
Wash. Clean with water and soap.
Wash the windows today.
Rinse. Wash with clean water.
Rinse the sponge after use.
Polish. Make something shiny.
Polish your shoes before work.
Spray. Apply liquid in small drops.
Spray cleaner on the mirror.
Disinfect. Kill germs on a surface.
Disinfect the kitchen counter.
Sanitize. Make something hygienic.
Sanitize your hands before eating.
Clean. Remove dirt.
Clean your room every day.
Dry. Remove moisture.
Dry the dishes with a towel.
Shake. Move quickly to remove dust.
Shake the rug outside.
Beat. Hit to remove dust.
Beat the cushion to remove dust.
Empty. Remove everything inside.
Empty the trash can.
Fill. Put something inside.
Fill the bucket with water.
Soak. Leave in water for a while.
Soak the dirty clothes overnight.
Squeeze. Press to remove water.
Squeeze the mop before cleaning.
Wring. Twist to remove water.
Wring out the wet cloth.
Fold. Bend neatly.
Fold the clean towels.
Hang. Put something up to dry.
Hang the clothes outside.
Organize. Arrange neatly.
Organize your cleaning supplies.
Declutter. Remove unnecessary items.
Declutter your desk every week.
Pick up. Lift something from the floor.
Pick up the toys after playing.
Dispose. Throw something away.
Dispose of the garbage properly.
Recycle. Process for reuse.
Recycle plastic bottles.
Buff. Polish by rubbing.
Buff the wooden table gently.
Remove. Take something away.
Remove the stain with soap